A white Rolls-Royce is priceless, so every micron of paint and every body gap must return to absolute perfection.
Restoring a white Rolls-Royce is hard because every component must align perfectly. Any tiny mismatch ruins silence, form, and value.
Every step is measured, torqued, and aligned to eliminate vibration and uneven gaps.
Confirmed. The heat map shows critical deformation localized right here at the impact point.
From this point, every removed piece is labeled, scanned, and stored in sequence, because reassembly accuracy defines luxury.
Turrets. Automated wheel removal station with torque-controlled robotic tools and the bolt tray conveyor. Lug bolts loosen at exact torque. If the frame is not perfectly clean, paint will fail later, and a white Rolls-Royce will show it immediately. Panel geometry matters. 1 millimeter off and body gaps become uneven, ruining the luxury look. Primer coats panels evenly. UV light verifies full coverage before paint mixing.
The new white coat builds in controlled overlaps. No runs, no modeling. Edges stay clean.
White paint shows everything. Polishing must be uniform, or the showroom lights will expose every ripple. The probe maps thickness. The display shows a uniform heat map. Parameters lock into the project record. Chrome emblem and trim install cell with soft jaw grippers and a trim tray conveyor. The emblem drops into a center.
Chrome placement is status. 1 millimeter off is visible immediately.
Clearances are measured, seals replaced, oil paths cleaned, and every measurement is logged.
Every torque point is a promise. No guessing is allowed if the ride must stay silent and smooth.
Luxury interior requires uniform stitching tension and surface smoothness. Anything uneven feels cheap instantly.
A premium cabin is built on invisible precision, tight gaps, quiet electronics, and perfect tactile feel.
Air cycles remove odors. Simulated VOC metrics drop to target. The cabin remains pristine. The door close sound is a signature. Force and the soft thump must match on every door.
The full car scan returns a confirmed pass. The automated system applies the protective film, preparing the vehicle for secure transport to the dock.